Want to have an incredible adventure and get some extra academic credits for a fraction of your tuition fees? With IVHQ, you can earn college credits on one of our volunteer abroad programs for as little as $1,400 US for 2 weeks, and that's including your accommodation. You'll get to give back to a cause you care about, cut down on time in the classroom, and save money. Once you've registered for one of our programs, just add the appropriate academic credit package to your trip through the add-ons page in your My IVHQ profile. Easy. Now, maybe you're thinking that all sounds too good to be true, but it gets better. If you're considering a study abroad program for a whole semester, then IVHQ has a much more affordable, flexible, and fun alternative for you. A traditional study abroad program typically costs more than $15,000 US for 16 weeks, giving you around 15 US academic credits. But you have to spend most of your time in a classroom doing academic work. Instead, why not turn your study abroad trip into a 16-week volunteer abroad vacation with IVHQ? You can earn 16 US credits and it'll cost you as little as $4,400 US. That's a potential savings of over $10,000. By volunteering abroad, you get to apply your studies in a real-world setting, making a meaningful difference to a disadvantaged community, and earn your academic credits through practical experience and reflection exercises. I'll take that over lectures, exams, and tests any day. Oh, and did I mention how flexible it is? You get to choose when you start and how long you volunteer for. Perfect for students with a busy schedule, like you. Ready to get started? All you need to do is 1. Choose where you want to go and what kind of volunteering you're interested in. 2. Apply and register online for your chosen volunteer program. 3. In your My IVHQ profile, choose the Earn Academic Credit option from your add-ons page. 4. Complete some addition reflection exercises while you're volunteering. And 5. When you get back home, transfer the academic credits to your home institution. Easy.